This is Jill coming to you this morning to do an unboxing of the latest package I received from 1407 Planners. They had their Plannerjam event on the 20th of July, and after the event they made some of their stock available for those of us that couldn't attend. So I got what they're calling the medium bundle for Plannerjam 2019, and we are going to unbox this and look and see what's in here. Of course, it always comes with a receipt pocket and with the little Fiona clip. This one is a nice pink, and you usually get some freebies in there. There's a Fiona decal, and then a card for Tula 12, which is a sister company of 1407 Planners, and then the normal thank you card from 1407 Planners. Now the big part of this is the Traveler's Notebook cover. Let's see if I can get that out without, and I haven't taken this out of the package yet, but you can see it's black with some pink stripes and some white splotches on it. When you open it up, it has a card pocket here with a secretarial pocket, and then a larger pocket, and the same on the back cover. And it does say the 1407planners.com, and then it has the 1407 Planners logo there. These covers I love. They're very sturdy, they're very well done, they're great quality, and I just enjoy these covers so much. This is a B6 size. So if you're interested in that, you can look at that. The next thing in here is some stamps from Studio L2E. These are the Plannerjam 2019 stamps with a flamingo and some words and just some deco for your stamping pleasure. There's also the Three Flamingos pin, which is Natasha, Cindy, and Katie. Those are the three main people from 1407 Planners, and that's just a pin. It also came with a magnetic bookmark that's the same pattern as the cover, and then it does have a little Fiona on there. Came with a stamp block for the stamping. There is a package of stickers from No White Space stickers. So these are cool. Got some days of the week stickers, some washi, some full boxes, some to-dos. Those will be fun to use. And then we got 3 inserts, all B6 size. This one is just a dot grid insert. So a full insert of dot grid. This one is a week on one page with trackers and to-do lists, a dot grid area, and this might be a combo because it looks like there's several different layouts in here. So this one is a week on 2 pages with some trackers and to-do lists, and then this is a horizontal week on 2 pages And this is a week on 2 pages with some empty boxes on the right side and dot grid on the left. And this is the longer box, week on 2 pages, so you have Monday through Wednesday on the first page, and then Thursday through Sunday on the second page, with Saturday and Sunday having the smaller boxes. This one is a week on 1 page, with the week being on the right hand side, and then your trackers and things on the left, and then each day of the week has a small box for each day. And then this is a week on 2 pages with larger boxes and 1 empty box. And I can't wait to use this one. This is a week on 2 pages also, with horizontal boxes and a little bit of white space there on the left side, and then a to-do list here and a next week box. And you have a week on 1 page with dot grid on the other. And again, this is the longer boxes, week on 2 pages with dot grid at the bottom. This one is a week on 2 pages with the boxes that are all different sizes, different ways of laying. So some are vertical, some are horizontal, some are small, some are big, and then it does have trackers also. And this one is a week on 2 pages with smaller boxes for Monday through Thursday, and then Friday through Sunday has the long boxes, and then it does have dot grid on that side. And this is a week on 2 page horizontal with the large day of the week words. And then this is a week on 4 pages with this area that you're supposed to cut off. So it would be like a Dutch door type thing. And I believe that's it. So that's a combination layout book. That will be fun to use. Then this one is a memories book. So it has different layouts where you can put photos, you can do some journaling, decorate it any way you want. A great little memory keeper book. Some blank pages there for you to use. Oops. And these are blank. More blank. Looks like the rest of it is all blank for you to decorate how you'd like. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed and it's not working very well. So that will be fun to use. So those are the 3 inserts that came in the kit. We also got a Fiona lanyard. And some washi tape with Fiona on it, and it's got the same pink and black design that the cover has. Came with 1 small stamp block or stamp pad of VersaFine black ink. VersaFine is my favorite ink to stamp with. Came with a Pigma Micron pen, and this is the Micron PN. I'm not sure exactly what that stands for, but Micron pens are good. It also came with a ruler that's designed for the dot grid inserts for 1407, and these are for doing your bullet journaling. So it's got the spacing for the dots, so you can map out your layout very easily. And then we got another Fiona clip, and then this is a folder to go in your cover with 2 pockets. And so that's our kit. Everything all right there. And I can't wait to get it all set up and get started with it. So keep checking back and you'll see it all set up probably by the beginning of next week. And we'll start doing some planning in it. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little flip through. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you for stopping by. If you liked this video, please press the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you can press the subscribe button. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, you can find me at Jilly Beans Planner Nook. Thanks again. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon when we'll sit down and we'll make some plans. Have a great day.